Ahotla Town Committee under the guidance of President Somrat Deborma, the General Secretary Hamul Jamatia, Jini Borongbanang Bongni guidance by Tourism Department of Paika. Since Simon Tanai, Quakin Romo, social media, Kaisha, video, viral language money, the Chini Numa, the Chini Bubagra Songni, Tweak like Hamani Zagawa, Bishingo, Heritage Kas Ramdang money, Patal Hastin Borok Paya Zaga Payachin, Shiri City, Hukum, Boroshin, Simon Zagan. Azagawa, Koroksa blogger, Boa Zagawa, Vijit Kanatanguru, Bona Zagawa Kaisha, Tabuti guest is a bono, the state government bono, permission education Simia, Bishingo Jehetu video, Kanyani, allow courage and Simano, Jinti Prahani, Lukuroni Bagay, Pano, Bunibagi Pano, Azagawa, Bo, Jeba video Haika, Bini channel teaching, Mugi Manka, Play Logiwo, Chini, Tiprani, Chini, Dignai, Ronobo, Miss Waitit Langabono, the successful Hamus and Nuka. So Omono Tuntini, Kanawe, Belaka Hamka, Hamun Bagay, Jintini, Tourism Department and Director Malabagi Pimani. Unfortunately, Tourism Department Director out of station, Deputy Director of Malaya, Malay Chini Memorandum Sabin Klaya, Chini Sing Munkai, Jehetu Tourism Department, Tiprahani Lukurun Bagino, Samunkai Tomoba. Bong guideline ki kuno guideline torotong je hatar hasne boron bagi khai bisingo video allow tongo tipra hasne lukurun bagi khai bisingo video khane allow kari jodi kuno amti guidelines tongo hangkai tourism department omono clarify nangthun chini omono bong sing appeal khlai kya jodi buni bagi bo video khane allow tongo tipra hani lukurun bagi khai tangi video khane allow kari jodi inka hangkai equality maintain khane chingomo boron tini sabuka omo high gotona jodi kari hangkai omo high gotona biskang sal tangthun tai je video a borok bini channel ya kharmani a video no borok ni tourism department ni phasing through te borok bono inform khai video delete khainang tun hune cheng bong koi mungri khaiga